Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello people, Bubble is just over here, and I also make some sushi for myself. And yeah, I like cooking. And this is salmon roll, a little bit lettuce, the sesame seeds, and yeah, enjoy the meal. Yeah, it looks good, right? The good sauce on it. Yeah, very nice. Sushi is my favorite food. Yummy, yummy. So guys, let's talk about love. Um, Maybe you know, I want to know what about my love life. Yeah, my first girlfriend was a Chinese girl. It was not a success. It was not my fault. I'm gonna tell you how we broke up. My first girlfriend cheated on me. She went to another guy. I remember that. We've been to 2 years and 10 months together, but I can tell you how I found out she's been with another guy. I found out on the social network Hives. She was sending love messages to that guy, and I saw that, so I called her. I saw messages like "I love you" or "Yeah, oh baby, I really care about you," like that sort of kind of message, but in Dutch, you know. So I called her. Is that your new boyfriend? So yeah, she admitted she has a new boyfriend, and that's not cool, man. We never broke up, but she started a new relationship with that guy. So that's the next level of cheating. People, if you have a broken heart and if someone break up with you and the person is a bad person, I will give it the first thing I would say to you: congratulations, because you don't have to be with that idiot together. You're not gonna marry an idiot, because when you break up with the bad people, you have to be lucky not to marry that person. I'm gonna tell you how to fix a broken heart. Is when you have a broken heart, you have to do things what you really like. I remember when I broke up with my ex, of course. The first thing I did, the things that I did, first I did was to buy a new pair of shoes. You know why? My first Chinese girlfriend was Chinese. She was kind of expensive. I have a message from my ex. Not being someone. Yeah, I'm someone want to take revenge, but I have a message from my ex, and yeah, this is my message. Dear ex, if you see this, I want to thank you that you cheated on me. You know why? Because if you didn't cheat on me, I wouldn't be with my girlfriend. My girlfriend, the most beautiful woman on earth. I want to marry her. I never said this to you because you're not worthy. I want to marry with my girlfriend, and yeah, that's my dream. And yeah, she's really worthy. I remember my first girlfriend. She was very obsessed. She wanted to control me. She always wanted to check my email and my telephone. She always asks where I've been. I used to be popular. I had a lot of friends in the past. But when I had a relationship with the first girlfriend, I remember I lost a lot of friends because when she didn't like my friends, I can be friends with him or her, but mostly she don't like me to be friends with women. But I'm very happy that she cheated on me. You know why? Because otherwise I would be with the idiot together. I'm very lucky. I cherish everything what my girlfriend gives. At this moment she's in Croatia. She's going with her parents and her brother and her friends on holiday. I have also a message from my girlfriend. This is my message. If you see my video, I really care about you. I love you. So yeah, I hope one day we will marry. But yeah, now I don't have the money. I want a good job so we can have a bright future together. I learned a lot of things. You learn a lot of things in relationship. And the biggest thing I've learned in a relationship with my first girlfriend is that I made a big mistake. I didn't choose the right person, you know? Sometimes when you're young, you make the big mistakes. You choose the wrong partner, you will choose the good partner. And now I'm very happy with my girlfriend. At this moment, I learned a lot from my girlfriend because she helps me, she supports me with everything I do. She gives me a lot of freedom. I can meet another friends. Yeah, she trusts me. She don't have to check my email. She don't have to check my telephone. So I'm very happy. So I want to thank her for everything.